a tree felling event. We have 7 competitors who will be vying for 4 spots to make up our World Championship final tomorrow afternoon. So at tree number 3 from Ballarat, Victoria is Matthew Coffey. At tree number 7 is Matthew. Tree number 6 is Michael Shadlow from Riverston, New South Wales. At tree number 5 from Wamuran, Queensland is Lindsay Hewitt. Tree number 4 from Sheffield, Tasmania is Joshua Banks. Tree number 3 from Yarrowitch, New South Wales is Mitchell Scribner. Tree number 2 from Wamuran, Queensland is Mitchell Hewitt. And tree number 1 from Woodford, Queensland is Josh Adamson. So this is a championship event, ladies and gentlemen. They'll all be off the count of 3 seconds. It's the second heat of our World Championship. All the very best of luck, tree fellas. We do now have the all clear. Stand by for a start.
Competitors, stand your logs. Get ready. 1, 2, 3.
On the track of 3, as they start to put that board hole in, you'll see them only do 2 or 3 blows and then they'll grab the board. They'll also do the same as they go up the tree. They'll take the axe with them and the board. They'll get into the top of that tree. It's a good sized tree. It's 325 millimetres, so it's for a run of World Championship. It's heat number 2. Next we'll be having some of the finals a little later. But importantly, as we go through today, being our first over the 17th of April, they're going to do all they can to put the position for themselves to continue on. Now, up on tree number 1, Josh Adamson out of Queensland, already coming into the top of that tree to take half out. Down on number 4 tree there, Josh Bates out of Tasmania. He just is going to start again. His board gave way. He came down. He'll take the boards with him. That won't deter him. 1 down from tree number 1 is tree number 2, Mitchell Hewitt from Queensland. And down from there, we've also got Mitchell Scribner from here, New South Wales, tree number 3. Again, we go down on to tree number 5, Lindsay Hewitt from Wamuran. The Hewitts in it in the family, keeping it all in tradition going from their grandfather relations. Down from there, we've got Michael Shadlow here in New South Wales on tree number 6. And then down the tree number 7, Matthew Coffey from Victoria. Now, as they put that front into the top of that tree, you'll watch them come down with their boards. So they start at the bottom. 1 and 2, watch blow for both. They'll put a board hold in, take a board with them, count as they go. 1, 2, 3, 4. When they think it's enough, they'll stick the board in. Got a little metal tongue that here holds them there. Then they get right out and look at the spring in the board and it bounces. Same thing down on tree number 3 there with Mitchell Scribner. He's grabbed all his boards, stepped down a big step to be able to try and close the gap between number 1 and number 2 tree. So Mitchell Hewitt in tree number 2, Mitchell Scribner in tree number 3, Joshua Bates in tree number 4, getting into the top of the tree to try and make up a little bit of time. Tasmanian Axman, Lindsay Hewitt there, starting to make his way up now for the run into the top of the tree, the Queenslander. And down from there we've got Michael Shadlow from here in New South Wales, tree number 6. And Matthew Coffey out of Victoria, tree number 7, making his way up. Now it's going to be blow for blow, and you watch, ladies and gentlemen, how they go into the top of this tree. Remember, we've got Josh Adamson from Queensland, tree number 1. We've got Mitchell Hewitt from Queensland, tree number 2. Let's warm the lungs and the palms of our hands. Make a little bit of noise. Really encourage them. Will it go to 1, 2, or will we go down to tree number 3, or will it go down to tree number 4? What's tree number 4? And 4 will go through. We'll go down to number 5, so 4 of these will go through in the placings. Blow for blow, which will it be? Just watching the positions, 1, 2. Josh Adamson's in tree number 1. Mitchell Hewitt in tree number 2. Hitting hard also, we've got Mitchell Scribner in tree number 3 driving. As we get up into the top of the tree down the other end of the field, we've got Matthew Coffey. All of them have the opportunity. A little bit more warm. Come on, folks. Mitchell Hewitt, also now we've got Josh Adamson. Then we get down the line to watch who will come on next. Now, will it be watch number 3, or even number 5, Lindsay Hewitt, number 3, there, Mitchell Scribner. And we go down a little further as we have a look at tree number 7, Matthew Coffey. Keep your eye on those 3 in the middle of the field there. Tree number 3 from Yarrowitch, New South Wales, Mitchell Scribner. Going blow for blow, we've made up a bit of time so far. Joshua Bates, Lindsay Hewitt still in tree number 5. 2 more that are going to go through. We've got Josh Adamson, also Mitchell Hewitt, 2 more vowing to try and get through, hitting hard. Let's give them a little bit more noise. Come on, And Matthew Coffey down the other end, he'll be happy with that. Matthew's off as well, so is Lindsay Hewitt, so is Mitchell Scrivener. So all eyes at the moment on tree number 4 with Joshua Bates. He did have the boards and he came down at the start. He's close to get below. So let's remember them, including the importance of Joshua Bates. He'll be home very shortly. 1, 2, it'll start to move, counting down. 3, 4. We'll get some places for you. We do it a few times every day during every week, the week that we have here for our Sydney Royal Easter Show. We know you enjoy it, and as it's traditional to show your appreciation on the count of 3, we want to hear you all over the city.